Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Kippy, no, get out. Out. Good boy. If you are new here, my name is Faith. Thank you very much for being here. Kip, do not steal my shoe. Do not steal my shoe, you little stinker. Oh my gosh. Nothing is going right now. It's pouring rain. I'm sure you can hear that in the background. And Kip is being a little menace. So I just apologize for all the distractions. But today is actually a pretty chill video anyways, so I hope you guys don't mind. It's just a little get ready with me. I am putting on some makeup and getting ready to film my next giveaway video. So I'm actually doing this in reverse order this month. Normally, I would post this video before the giveaway video, and then that way you guys can look back on the look, but I'm actually going to post this after the giveaway video, so you'll just have to wait a few days to see the makeup and everything. Well, at this point it's already here, but in case you wanted to see what I'm wearing in that video, this is the video for you guys. I'm really sorry if you can hear the rain. Maybe it's relaxing. I put a little bit of a fun spin on this Get Ready With Me though, because I am using almost all new makeup products. Almost everything I have in front of me that I'm going to be using is new makeup. Most of it is actually really new, like to the market, but some of it is just new to me. So I'm excited to get into it. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, the first product I'm going to try is a super bougie product. I got this through Octali. I think I've talked about Octali before in a vlog. It's a online free store for smaller influencers to get product sent to them that they are willing to do a review on, and that's normally on Instagram, so you guys may not see me talk about it as much here on YouTube, but you mostly do that on Instagram. But today I'm going to use a product that they sent me, and this is from Guerlain, which is a luxury makeup brand. I was so excited to see that on there, and this is their pore minimizer. I love the color. Let's try it. There's not really any instructions on the packaging. It's all in like a weird language. Well, not a weird language, just a language that I don't understand. It's very fragrancy, which I normally don't like. I don't know. Pretty packaging. Smells kind of intense. I'm not sure I like that, but okay, next for foundation, I am using actually a tinted moisturizer. This is from Laura Mercier. That's what it is. Yeah, this is from Laura Mercier, and this is their tinted moisturizer, the oil-free one. I've heard really good things about this, and I've been wanting to try it. Holy cow, this is a big package. Laura Mercier is also a more expensive brand, but definitely not as expensive as Guerlain. I'm a little worried about the shade because I think I ordered this when I was super tan. It's not that bad. I think I can make it work. I'm going to use my Delium Slanted Precision Kabuki brush to blend this out. Yeah, that's not bad. It's a little darker, so I'll just have to go down my neck. This is pretty good coverage for a tinted moisturizer. Is there SPF in this? Yes, SPF 20. I think I'm going to bring this with me to my Florida trip, which I should be able to vlog that, you guys. I know I haven't done a vlog in a while. That's in a couple weeks. I think I'm gonna vlog my trip. It's a bachelorette trip. But yeah, this seems like a really nice beach day base layer. Just a heads up, I was a little worried when it said oil free because typically I need a little oil. I'm more on the dry side, but this is not drying me out at all. It's almost giving me like a little bit of a glow. So if you are really oily and thought that this would be like more of a matte finish, I don't really think it is, but for maybe combination normal to somewhat dry, or maybe even just a little bit oily, you should be fine. But if you're super oily and you wanted this to mattify, I don't think it's gonna do that for you. I don't have a new concealer to try, unfortunately, so I'm just gonna use a little Tarte Shape Tape Action. My powders aren't new either. I am just going to use the Shade and Light palette under my eyes and the Bare Minerals powder all over my face to set like I always do, and then the rest of the products, besides one or two things, are brand new. So I will jump back on once my base is set with powder. Okay, I'm back. Next up is brows. And this is from Karity. You guys might have seen it on Instagram. They've been kind of blowing up lately, this new makeup brand named Karity. And they have a Brow Goals brow pencil. It's a 3-in-1 brow pencil, powder, and brush. So the pencil is here, and it's kind of like the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow definer, I think it's called. It's like the thicker one. And then if you go further down, there's like a powder sort of thing. I don't know if I'm doing this wrong. I don't know. I don't really use powder anyways, so I don't really understand how that works. This side is the brush side, so you do get a spoolie. I always just throw out the caps on the spoolie side. It's probably not hygienic, but I just can't be bothered. I am going to be filming an in-depth brow routine very soon. I know you guys have been dying to see an updated brow routine from me, and that is coming. Holy cow. There's a lot of pigment on this. Like, I barely even had to push. Sometimes with the Anastasia Beverly Hills one, you have to really push. It's a little waxy. I actually generally prefer the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer, but so far this one's pretty good. I do like the color. This one, by the way, is, I think, chocolate, dark chocolate. That was nice and easy. I like that. Okay, I have a new brow gel as well, and this is from, where are you? Lancome, I think? Yeah, it's a brow gel, and it's so spiky. I showed this on my Instagram. I don't know if that's going to show up, but it's so spiky. So let's see here. It's called the Sourcil Styler Mascara, Brow Mascara, and this is in brown. Number 2. Châtain. Does that mean brown in French? I did not take French. I took Spanish. I love how spiky it is. Yeah, I like this. Okay, next I'm using a new eyeshadow palette from IBY Beauty. This is their poolside palette, and I actually got this in the mail probably a month ago now, and I've been meaning to do a video or tutorial with it or something because it's so pretty. These are so like my colors. Like, I've been loving pinks. I love these light shimmer shades. Here's this really bright purple, like really nice. This actually reminds me of the purple in the Norvina palette, like a lot. And IBY Beauty is also pretty affordable, so definitely. So first I'm going to use the Sunny Skies shade, which is kind of like a base color. A lot like the base shade in the Norvina palette. Okay, and then next I'm going to take a slightly smaller brush. I did just post, by the way, a brush video, how I clean them and what I use them for and all of that. So if you're interested in the brushes I'm using, everything I'm using today was in that video. So I'll link that at the end of the video and maybe like up here in a card of some sort. Next I'm going to take Floating, this matte. Is it matte? No, there's a little bit of a shimmer to it. Tiny bit though. I think it's going to translate more matte. Let's see. Yeah. It's kind of like, again, those Norvina shades. Wow, that's pigmented. It's kind of like those two Norvina shades, Love and Soul, that have some sparkle in it, but they really end up being matte on the eyes. I'm guessing that helps with the pigmentation somehow. Wow. That is like Barbie pink, and I love it. It's blending out so nicely. Hold on, I need to zoom you in so you can see the other eye. Look at how this blends. Look at how pigmented. I barely tapped my brush in. Barely. This Marge's shade is a little bit lighter. It also has that little bit of sheen to it, but I think it'll be okay. I'm going to go over that right at the top here just to blend this pink out, tone it down a little bit. I wish that there was like a deeper chocolate brown or like a darker color, like maybe a black or something like that, where you can really deepen up the outside portion, but that's okay. We will work without it. Maybe I'll take a little bit of Cabana, even though it is a little shimmery. Just take a little bit of this on the outer corner here. Now that shade, I mean, maybe I'm not using it right, but that shade's kind of fluffing everywhere, I have to be honest. Maybe that needs to be patted on with the finger instead of used in this fluffy manner that I'm trying to do. Oh yeah. That's a lot better. I do prefer when shades will also work with a brush, but I totally get it when shimmer shades just work better with the finger. It's pretty normal, so that must just be what's going on there. Next, I'm going to take Splish Splash, this shade right here. Pretty. I'm going to take that right in the center of the lid. Very nice. And just blend that. It's a little powdery. Maybe I need to wet my brush. Oh yeah, that's a lot better. That gold is really coming through now. There's like a gold shift in this shade. I'm going to take the shade Staycation. It's that shimmery shade that I showed you in the beginning. I'm going to pat that here towards the tear duct. Oh, I like that. I'm just going to go back in with my blending brush and go in the crease to make sure that's all blended. And then do the lower lash. And I'm going to go in with that floating shade that I absolutely loved and really blow out the lower lash line with that shade. I love that shade. Okay, I'm just going to take Sunny Skies again, that base shade, and make sure that the edges here are blended, like not too harsh. And then I'm going to take Staycation, that light shimmer, and put that in my inner corner and brow bone. Okay, IBY Beauty also sent me a liquid liner, so I'm going to use that to line my eyes. And then I'm going to pop on some old lashes that I have that just laying around. I think they're Flutter lashes in the style Intoxicating. So I'm going to put those on right after I do this liner. This is nice. It's a nice liner. That was really easy to do. Okay, I did the other wing and I almost forgot before I put on my lashes, I want to use a new mascara to me from Lancome. This is their Grandiose Extreme mascara. I'm pretty sure this is like one of their original mascaras. I'm not really sure. Holy cow, it's a big container. That is some serious stuff. Oh no, this is the bendy one. Interesting. I'm just gonna coat my top and bottom lashes and then pop those falsies on. Man, Lancome mascaras are so good. You guys, I have like no eyelashes. I really need to take a break from falsies. I've been in such a bad habit of ripping my false lashes off, like just ripping them off without using makeup remover or like going in the shower to let the glue break down, and my lashes have suffered as a result. But this mascara actually makes me look like I have lashes. They're just the best. I know that they're pricey, but their mascaras are where it's at. Like, mascara is their game. Nobody else can compete with their mascara. That is on, and now let's pop these lashes on. Again, these are Flutter brand in the style Intoxicating. Oh yeah. Ugh, I love these. I freaking love these lashes. They transform any makeup look. They fit my eyes so nicely. Like, every time I go to put them on, it's so easy. They just sit right on there so perfectly. Cool. Okay. So while those sit on there, I'm going to work on the rest of the face. And surprise, surprise, I have another Lancome product. The reason I have so many Lancome products is actually really cool. Lancome PR reached out to me and sent me a huge PR package, which I was so over the moon about. Like, I felt so special. I cannot believe Lancome reached out to me, like little old me, to send me products. Their stuff is expensive, so I don't just have a lot of it sitting around, you know, so I'm trying it out and I'll let you guys know what was good, what wasn't, all that good stuff. The mascara, so good. The brow thing, I'll have to play around with that more, but so far the mascara has impressed me the most. Next up though, I am using their Glow For It palette. This is a highlight and bronzer palette, so I'm going to use the bronzer first. It looks pretty dark. Why am I losing my voice? It looks pretty dark. That's pretty. It has a tiny bit of a sheen to it, which I like. I'm just going to dust a little bit over the nose. I'm not going to do a whole nose contour, just a little bit down the nose. A little on the chin. Why does it look like I'm breaking out? I think it's that Guerlain primer. You guys, my skin looks all red and bumpy, and I do not do well with fragrance. Okay, I don't have a new blush to use, so I'm just going to use the Milani Baked Blush in Luminoso. I feel like I need a lot of blush today. Like, I feel like I look washed out or something. And then I am going to use the highlighter in this palette. It's pretty goldy and yellow. First, I'm going to spritz my face. Ooh, that's really pretty. Oh yeah, now that's a nose highlight. Okay, and then last step is lips, and I again have a Lancome product to use. I'm just going to line them first with my NYX lip pencil. And I have two different colors. I'm not sure which one I want to go for. These are the Lancome L'Absolu, is that right? L'Absolu Lacquer. I think they're just matte liquid lipsticks. And the two shades I have are 202 and 236. They look really similar in the packaging, but let's just see here. This is, oh no, are these glosses? That's 236. That's really pretty. I'm not sure if this is a gloss or a matte. And then this is more pink. That is so pretty. That is 202. I'm going to go with that one. I like how light it is. These must be glosses. They're so... Wait, is it matte? I'm so confused. They're so thin and wet feeling on the lips. Like they're, oh, and they're minty, but like not a bad mint. They're almost like watermelon minty. I love this. Do they dry down? Does it say? Nope. Everything's in French. I don't know, but I love the way that feels. Normally I hate minty things on my lips, and I love that color. This again is 202. I love that. This might be like my new go-to little shade here. Alright guys, so that is the completed look of all of the new products. I hope you guys enjoyed it and maybe found some new products for yourself. I'm about to go and film the giveaway video, which like I said earlier is already posted. So it's like a weird Inception sort of thing happening right now. I don't know. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't seen the giveaway video yet, then I will link that at the end so that you can check that out and enter for this month's giveaway. Other than that, guys, nope, there's nothing other than that, guys. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!
There's no way you can't hear the rain in the background right now. Why? It didn't rain all day. And when I sit down to film my video, it starts raining. Now I gotta crack one. Just kidding, it's LaCroix. Is that how you say it, LaCroix? Kip? What's going on here, dude?